let's get down to mastering the vocabulary frequently involved in the boldface questions. Let's look at the nouns first. Conclusion is what the reasoning seeks to establish. Judgment is an opinion about someone or something. Prediction is a forecast about something. Evidence is a factual data that can be used for supporting or negating an argument. Fact is also on the same lines. Opinion is like a judgment. It is someone's point of view, which may or may not be correct. Main conclusion is what the argument seeks to establish. Generally, the term main conclusion would come when the reasoning also has an intermediate conclusion. Such paragraphs would have a term such as a conclusion, which would be an intermediate conclusion, and then main conclusion, which would be the overall conclusion of the argument. Main conclusion may agree with the intermediate conclusion, or it may disagree with the intermediate conclusion. This is a conclusion, the intermediate conclusion I was talking about. Circumstance is a condition generally relevant to an event or an action. Assumption is someone's hypothesis, which may or may not be correct. Consideration is a careful thought. Finding is a fact obtained after some effort. Explanation is an elucidation, a description. Objection is a point of disagreement. Claim is someone's assertion or opinion, generally not backed by a proof. Position is someone's strong point of view. So, these are the frequently asked nouns. Out of these, the ones marked in green are the most important ones. You have to be very clear about what conclusion, circumstance, evidence, fact, opinion, judgment, and assumption mean in particular. Now, these nouns will have a role to play in the reasoning. So very often, these nouns are paired with a verb. For example, one bold part may be an evidence that is used to support the argument. So evidence is the noun and support is the verb. So let's look at all the high-frequency verbs as well. To oppose is to weaken. To establish is to set up something. In context of reasoning, it would be to set up an opinion or a viewpoint. To evaluate is to examine. To imply is to suggest. To introduce is to bring up or talk about something new. To support is to help or assist an argument. To explain is to elucidate. To undermine is to weaken. To challenge is to oppose. To describe is to elucidate or explain. So these are the main verbs, and the ones highlighted in green are the high-frequency ones. This was the concept, friends. GMAT shots are deliberately kept brief. For an elaborate explanation, please watch the Stage 1 conceptual videos in our program. Thanks for watching.